peace, peace and power, peace to the tribe, peace to the family. I hope you guys are doing well. So it's your boy Nana Kwame, and I am back with another video. Okay, now in this video I want to speak about vibration, frequency and energy. Okay, now before I start this video, okay, let me shout out to all my subscribers, those of you who have actually subscribed, right, who always watch this video, okay, watch my videos, helping this channel in fact move on, right? In fact, much love. I appreciate you guys, right? Now, one thing I want you guys to remember, right, is that one of the universal laws, okay, is the law of vibration, okay, which actually states that everything in the universe, right, moves, vibrates, okay, and travel in a circular pattern, right? The same principle of vibration in this physical world apply to our thoughts, right, feelings and desires in this etheric world. Okay, so in a nutshell, vibration could be looked as the state of reactions and movement patterns within us. Okay, remember, if once the mind, okay, is operating, it means that our system is actually into a reaction. Okay, never think that actions, right, or doing some actions only means that you are vibrating, or doing something for people to physically see is only vibration. Okay, I could be silent by using the brain or using the mind to think. Okay, now once the system, okay, is still working and operating, it means I am what? I'm now transformed, right, into a certain state of what? Reaction and movement patterns within me. Okay, meaning I am vibrating. So one thing we must remember, that everything on this planet and everybody is constantly what? Vibrating and moving. Okay, but you actually don't see with your physical eyes, right? But at a microscopic level, you might see some form of vibrations and some movement patterns within us, right? So big shout out to Nikola Tesla, right, who actually connoted, right, that if you really want to understand the entire secret of this universe, then we should think in terms of what? Vibration, frequency and what? Energy. So I want to state this this perception, all right, about this vibration, frequency and energy, right, for you to be well established and understand how it is, so that we can know how it is that we feel, right, as we vibrate and move, okay, as our state of reaction changes, right? So with that being said, what actually is energy? Okay, now this information, okay, is being brought, right, I'm bringing this out to you guys, right, on a very understandable level. Okay, now this is the way any layman, okay, will actually understand or come to the realization, right, and understand this energy, frequency and then vibration. A lot of us really don't understand it. This is why I have taken it upon myself, right, to actually speak about only this. This video actually is not meant to speak about how to raise our vibration, but this is the clear picture, right, of this three things we are about to discuss about. Okay, now moving on. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work, right? That is what we already knew. Okay, fine, I understand. But on raising our consciousness, right, and thinking logically, all right, in a different perspective, right, we must come to understand that energy, right, is the ability, okay, for a certain force, right, or strength, okay, to emerge, right, to move and vibrate, right, and flow through all things and flow through us as human beings, okay, to produce positive and negative results. Okay, so if we are talking of this energy, we are looking at the force, the driving force that will enable us to move or vibrate or flow. This form of force, or this form of strength is what we refer to as what? Energy. Okay, now frequency on the other hand, right, is the rate of occurrence of the reactions and the movement patterns, right, that actually happens inside us, right, and without of us. Boom. Okay, nature, what else, right? So if we are looking at the rate of occurrence, then we are looking at how high or low this energy or this force, right, actually flows through us, because our energy can be high and our energy can be low. This is what we must come to understand. Okay, so I like to look at vibration, energy and frequency as relational. Okay, because it takes a certain driving force, which is the energy I am speaking about, to be able to operate at a low or higher level. This is the frequency state. The energy being operated, right, at a low or higher level of frequency. This is the frequency we are talking about once again, right? And now, as this force, okay, actually operate at a low or higher level of frequency, it now affect us as human beings and all the things to produce a certain positive and negative results. Okay, so typical example, right, that I will use to buttress all the points that I am making is that, check something, the battery. What is this inside the battery? Energy. That is a force. So there is a certain force in the battery, which is the source of the power and the energy. Okay, that push, for example, a machine like the radio into a certain state of reaction and movement patterns. Yes. So this energy we are talking about could be high. If this energy is high, then best believe that this radio, right, could work to a certain higher level, right? But if the battery has low energy, then best believe the radio might not even work. Okay, I hope you feel me. So this is how relatable it is in we human beings and all the other things that we are around with. Okay, so one thing about the battery you must also know, okay, and I hope you know, right, is that the continuous charging, right, and the properly charging of the battery sustains its strength. So the vice versa of this is actually when we improperly charge the battery. Then if we improperly charge the battery, best believe that this battery will now fall and cannot make any machine to work. This is how it is. So there is a certain batteries. Look at it, that there is a certain batteries within us and around the things that we exist here on this planet. Okay, that we human beings especially has a certain form of energy, certain form of batteries that exerts a certain force to push us, okay, on a higher and or lower level, okay, so that we out of us produce a certain positive or negative traits. Okay, right? So we must understand, okay, that our vibrations, okay, can be raised to a higher level. Okay, we can make this energy in us, okay, run at a higher level, making our vibrations, right, to be raised, so that now we can produce, right, positive results. Okay, and then if this energy is also low in us, okay, it also lowers our vibration, and now our operations and how we deal with things becomes negative, and now we are always dumbed down and we can't evolve life. So it is better we raise our frequency, but this video is not going to talk about that. In my next video, I'm gonna be speaking about some best ways that you can tune yourself into, so that your vibration can be raised, so that now you can actually vibrate at a higher level, okay, to produce positive vibes and positive things into your lives. Right now, this comes to the end of this video. I hope you really have enjoyed. This is the most layman's perspective you can really understand about vibration, frequency, and energy. Now, peace. I am signing out, right? Now, in my next video, we will speak more about how to raise our vibrations. Okay, peace. I salute your nature. What else?